We've all seen it in sci-fi. Star Trek transporters, magic portals, that one coworker who wishes they could skip the morning commute. But what if teleportation was actually real? Not takes a plane but faster real, I mean poof, you're there, instantly, like magic, only with physics. How would it work? Let's start with the ugly truth. In physics, teleportation isn't just move you over there, it's rebuild you somewhere else, atom by atom, while destroying the original. You are made of roughly 7 and 10 to the power of 27 atoms. That's a 7 followed by 27 zeros. If you tried to send that much data at your home Wi-Fi speed of 100 megabits per second, it would take longer than the universe has existed, about 10 to the 19th power years, give or take. Quantum teleportation exists, but it only works for particles, not people. Scientists have teleported photons across 1,200 kilometers in China using entanglement. Cool, but you can't yet send your cat to Paris. If we had the tech... Okay, let's pretend we solved that. You step into the booth in New York and pop out in Tokyo 0.0001 seconds later. Your morning coffee, still hot. Your luggage, still lost. You could live in Hawaii and work in Manhattan. Goodbye airports, goodbye TSA, goodbye that one guy who claps when the plane lands. The economy would break. Think about it, shipping goods instantly. No trucks, no ships, no trains. Global supply chain, gone. Amazon Prime delivery time, 0 seconds. But also, goodbye local jobs. Why pay someone in your city when you can hire anyone, anywhere, instantly? Housing markets would collapse in some places and explode in others. You think San Francisco rent is bad now? Wait until the whole planet can commute there in under a second. Sports would be weird. Teleportation would ruin sports like football or basketball. Imagine the quarterback teleports into the end zone with the ball, or LeBron teleporting midair to dunk without running. The Olympics? Forget running events, it's now just teleporting 100 meters and everyone ties for gold. The crime problem. Teleportation means you can pop into a bank vault, grab the cash, and pop out before anyone blinks. The FBI would have to invent teleport police. Prisons? Good luck. You'd need teleportation-proof cells, which sounds expensive, and also like a terrible Netflix show. Physics gets angry. Here's the catch. Teleporting mass isn't just about data, it's about energy. Einstein's famous equation says your body's mass is equivalent to 7 and 10 to the power of 18 joules of energy. That's more than the world's total electricity production for a year. Moving that instantly means dealing with energy levels that make nuclear bombs look like birthday candles. Also, if your teleportation is slightly off, you might merge with a wall, or a cow, or half inside a volcano. And if your coordinates are wrong by just 1 digit, congratulations, you're in deep space. What about the planet? Instant travel would change everything about how humans spread. Cities would no longer need to be near water, farmland, or trade routes. People could live on mountain peaks or in the middle of the desert and just teleport to work. Sounds great, until 8 billion people decide to visit the same beach at once. Health risks. Teleportation that reconstructs you atom by atom would probably have to scan you first. That might mean hitting your body with insane amounts of radiation to detect every particle. That's not ideal for your life expectancy. And even if it's safe, would you really still be you? If you destroy the original and make a perfect copy somewhere else, is that you or just your clone with your memories? Congratulations. Now you have an existential crisis and jet lag. The fun stuff. Teleportation makes family dinners way easier. Live in New York but want grandma's pie in Texas? Want to see the Great Wall for lunch and be back home for dinner? Easy. It also means no more traffic jams, no more red-eye flights, and no more, sorry my flight got delayed. Airlines go bankrupt. McDonald's starts selling teleport-to-your-table meals. The bottom line. Teleportation would make the world smaller, richer, stranger, and way more dangerous. It would revolutionize travel, trade, and human culture. But it would also create insane problems with security, identity, and physics. Maybe one day we'll figure it out. Until then, enjoy your car ride. Or at least complain about it like we always do.